Stefan and I spent a day in León at the music school Juan Carlos Gómez built. The campus looks classical at first glance, arches, ornament, proportion. But the buildings aren't masonry in the traditional sense. They're made from Terradura's E-block, a mortarless system that delivers finished exterior and interior surfaces straight out of the mold. It's a striking setting, refined architecture, children learning Bach and Vivaldi in the courtyards, and behind it all, a completely different way of building. Terradura manufactures its blocks from marble flour, Portland cement, sand, and a polymer cement adhesive that replaces mortar. Masons apply the adhesive with a grout bag, simple, quick, and clean. Everything comes out of the factory pre-designed, blocks, steel window and door bucks, and even the roof trusses. No cutting on site. It really is a kit of parts. At the plant, we watched workers pack small volume molds by hand, and then saw pallet after pallet of standard units rolling off production for bigger jobs. We even filmed the pallets set aside for a toll booth the city of León plans to build entirely with Terradura block. On site, we caught a crew mid-build, 9 workers, none of them veterans. They'll raise the walls of a mid-sized building in about 10 days. Their output worked out to roughly 50 square feet of wall per mason per day. CMU crews in the U.S. typically hit 75 to 90 square feet a day, so Terradura starts a bit slower. But once the crews dial in, the company says productivity matches CMU, and the total cycle time can beat it because the walls come out finished. No stucco, no extra trades, no waiting. Martín Durán, the lead mason, walked us through the system in plain terms. The blocks stack cleanly, the modules line up, and the pre-assembled window bucks mean openings go in without fuss. Next door to the block manufacturing facility, we visited the pottery factory run by Carlos's wife, Terradura. One of the largest clay pot producers in Mexico, it's impressive on its own, tied to a network of boutiques and gift stores, and it gives you the sense of the family's broader range. This is an entrepreneurial clan. Alongside Terradura and Terradura, they manufacture roofing tiles, all kinds of pavers and building appliques, and the extended family is developing hotels, a Margaritaville resort in the community of San Miguel. A reminder that this block system sits inside a much larger ecosystem of ideas, businesses, altruism, and construction. They would make for a good partnership, possibly for Ladera Plaza. In short, what we saw, Terradura delivers classical architecture through a precision-made block that simplifies work at the job site and shortens the building cycle. We'll bring a small structure to the U.S. and assemble it ourselves to see how the system performs under our conditions. So more to come. Stay tuned.